In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy a GitHub project on Railway. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to head over to Railway's website. Once you're on the home page, look for the button that says Deploy a New Project. Go ahead and click that. You'll need to select the option for GitHub repo, which will prompt you to log into your GitHub account. Make sure you follow the prompts carefully to authorize Railway with your GitHub credentials. You'll probably come across some terms and conditions that you'll need to agree to before moving forward, so make sure to read those and then give it your thumbs up. Now that you've authorized Railway, let's move on to configuring your repositories. On the Railway dashboard, look for the New button located at the top right corner of your screen and click on it. You'll be prompted to select GitHub repo again. After that, find and click on the option that says Configure GitHub app. At this point, you'll need to decide if you want to give Railway access to all your repositories or just specific ones. If you're working on a personal project, giving it access to all may be more efficient. Once you've made your selection, click on Install, and don't forget to authorize it so Railway can start accessing your GitHub projects. Now, it's time for the exciting part, deploying your project. Back on the Railway dashboard, click on New again, and then select GitHub repo once more. This time, you'll be able to select the specific repository you want to deploy. After selecting your repo, sit tight and wait for the deployment process to finish. Just keep an eye on the screen because you'll notice green success markers indicating that everything is going smoothly. If you see those green indicators, you're in good shape. With the deployment complete, let's get your project accessible online. Click on your deployed project on the Railway dashboard to open its settings. Once you're there, scroll down until you see the Networking section. Here, you will find a field for entering your project's correct port number. Make sure to input that correctly because it's essential for your app to function properly. After entering the port number, simply click on Generate Domain. Voila! You're a step away from sharing your work with the world. Finally, once the domain is generated, you can copy that public link. This link will provide access to your live web app, allowing anyone to view your project online. Just imagine how rewarding it will feel to see your project up and running in the wild. So to recap, we authorized Railway, configured our GitHub repositories, deployed our project, and generated a public URL so we can share our work with the world. It's that simple. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and remember, if you enjoyed the content, please subscribe and like the video for more tips and tricks. Happy coding, and enjoy deploying.